Nishona njani Mthwakazi omuhle siyalamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio namhla kungolesihlanu zilishumi kuMfumfu ngomnyaka ka-2025 indaba lizethulelwa ngikhethiwe Chuma. Kwesihamba phambili namhlanje uNgqongqoshe uGarwe usebenzisa amathuba akhe okuba kuhulumende ukuze afuqe ingxabano ekhona ebandleni lakhe kusho isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo. Umhlonishwa Mrombetsi uthi uhulumende kumele amise ukwembiwa okwenziwa inkampani yama-China eduze lesikolo. Ukuhlukunyezwa kukalowa ililunga ledale lephalamende emela eMavuku Thafara ukufa kuthizwe kuqhubekela phambili. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. UNgqongqoshe okhangela ngezokuqhutshwa kwemisebenzi yasemadolobheni uDaniel Garwe usesolwe kakhulu ngokusebenzisa isikhundla sakhe kuhulumende sokuba afuqe udaba luka-2030 lolo olungekho emthethweni kanti njalo oseludale ingxabano kubandla labo. Lokhu kuye kwatshiwo ngusomlomo webandla eliphikisayo uPromise Mkhwanazi osole kakhulu uGarwe ngokusebenzisa amathuba emihlangano emadolobheni ukuze afuqe udaba luka-2030. Uye wathi uNgqongqoshe kumele angahlanganisi umsebenzi kahulumende kanye lokulwa okukhona ebandleni labo leZANU-PF. Ake sizweni uMkhwanazi ekhuluma.
Umnumzana-ke uGarwe umphathintambo we-Ministry Local Government uyaphambanisa kakhulu, ubhizi ukhuluma ngento zephathi yakhe lezengefaction yakhe yeZANU-PF ku-platform kahulumende, ku-platform ye-ministry lapha fuze bekhuluma khona nge-development lokuthuthukisa impilo zabantu. Lokhu sibona ngani kungahloniphi-ke isisekelo sombuso welizwe, constitution, kungahloniphi-ke inhlangothi zikahulumende weZimbabwe lapha amele akhulume khona ngendaba ze-development lokuthuthukisa impilo zabantu. Ubhizi ukhuluma ngendaba zika-2030, ubhizi ukhuluma ngendaba hhayi ezephathi yakhe even kodwa indaba ze-faction yakhe ekhokhelwa ngumnangagwa. Lokhu kumele kumiswe, lokhu kumele kuchothozwe kakhulu. Njalo umuntu weZimbabwe ngamele angavumele ukuthi ama-minister, ngaba ngama-minister, ngaba ngupresident, ngaba mbani, a-abuse iplatform kahulumende ekhuluma ngento zephathi iloba into ze-faction within his party.
Udaba lwenkampani yama-China eyaziwa ngokuthi iShunte Cement Factory le esebenza buchwadlana duze lesikolo sase-Brighton Country School iye yaxoxwa njalo kuliviki edale lephalamende. Lolu daba luye lwasukunyiswa ngumama uMutsa Mrombetsi omela omama esabelweni seMashonaland West edale lephalamende lapho adinge khona impendulo kuNgqongqoshe wezomthetho mayelana lokuba kungani inkampani le ishaya indiva umthetho wakhishwa enkantolo ephezulu ukuba bame ukusebenza. Ake sizweni umama uMrombetsi ekhuluma.
You know, that cement company in Chegutu, which is operating within 500 meters from Brighton Country School, should stop its operations. There's no justification on why a cement company should be having operations within 500 meters from a school. That's totally unacceptable. And that is not just close. It's dangerously close, and that's happening in defiance of a high court order. A company is ignoring our courts, children are breathing dust and diesel fumes, and the law is being treated like it's a suggestion. We need to let that sink in. And I asked the Minister of Justice in Parliament, why are our schools being forced to fight in courts again and again just to enforce what judges have already ruled? Why are powerful, companies allowed to undermine the judiciary while our children pay the price? And the response that we got pointed to laws and procedures. But I want to say this: if the law is clear, then why is it not being enforced? And if the courts have spoken, why then is the executive silent? This is not just about Chegutu, it's about every community where justice is delayed, where justice is diluted or denied. It's about restoring faith in our institution. And it's about saying it's enough, We cannot have a school operating a cement factory, for that matter, operating within just 500 meters from from a school. That's totally unacceptable. Our justice system must protect. It must not exhaust the vulnerable. Judiciary integrity is not optional, and child safety is not negotiable. Those operations by that cement company should stop forthwith.
Sekwedlule iminyaka emibili selokhu wanqotshwayo umlingani ka-Emmerson Mnangagwa uphethe Ayisakhuphwanya lo owayemela iMavuku Tafara edale lephalamende umhlonitshwa Munyaradzi Kufa-Kuthizwe ulokhu engena ephuma enkantolo yaseHarare. Lokhu kwenziwa ukuba wetheswa amacala angekhoyo umhlonitshwa Kufa-Kuthizwe lapho icala lakhe lishushiswa ngezinga eliphuzayo. Namhlanje lo owakhethwa ngabantu ngendlela eqondileyo ukuba amele iMavuku Tafara ubebuyele njalo enkantolo ukuyalalela ukushushiswa kwecala lakhe. Ake simzweni ekhuluma ngalokho okwenzakale enkantolo.
Good day Zimbabwe. Maswera sei muri yeZimbabwe. Nhasi zuva rana richipinda zvakare padare ndichinenedzerwa mhosva yekunzi ndakapwanya mota yevanhu veZANU-PF. So yaive nyaya yekunyeba zvakabuda pachena nekuti mawitness aitaura zvakasiyana. So nyaya iyi yakangopushiridzwa mberi. Mutongi wedare ati tofanira kuenda kudefense tinozvidefenda tichipa umbo hwedu pamberi pedare. So nhasi ranga riri zuva rangu rekutanga rekupa uchapupu. So tiri kuenderera mberi. Dare razo adjournment nenguva dza1 palunch. So tichaendera mberi musi wa24 mwedzi uno nenguva dza11:15 47 maita basa.
Omela inkulumane edale lephalamende umhlonitshwa uDesire Moyo akasekho emhlabeni ubhubhe namhlanje ekuseni ngemva kokungena engozini yemota. Ingozi le yenzeke eduze leShangani kanti njalo imota le ebulele umoyo ibithwele abanye abane abangamalunga njalo edale lephalamende phambi kokuba ishayisane leNdlovu. Umhlonishwa uhle wafela khonapho kanti abalingani bakhe abathi umhlonishwa uMatalapoy Ndebele, umama uRita Ndlovu, umama uSethule Ndebele kanye loLibion Sibanda balimele kakhulu kanti njalo basathola ukwelatshwa esibhedlela.
Ukudlula emhlabeni kukaDesire Moyo, ummeli wedale lephalamende emelele iNkulumane constituency, yikulahlekelwa okukhulu kakhulu okwenzakale emulini yakhe, kubangane, labo akade sebenza labo kanye le-community eNkulumane ngoba sebelahlekelwe ngothandekayo owaye ngu-artist omkhulu kanti njalo etshengisela ubungcitshi bokuthi kade ezakhokhela kuhle kwezombangazwe. uMoyoxide ubengasondoda ekhangelela abanye phansi, ubezehlisa ubezothile, eyindoda ema ngeqiniso. Wayengasomuntu wayele-politics zokudinga ukuthi wothi ngithole okuya esiswini sami. Wayengumuntu wayemela abantu njalo ezazi into zabantu. Wayengathathi lula abantu, wayengabakhangeleli phansi, wayengabakhangeleli emanzini. Wayehlonipha umuntu. Nxa esokubuya ku-leadership noma amaqembu wonke ayesebenza lawo, uMoyoxide wayesaziwa ukuthi wayeconsulta abanye njalo wayengela laba abathi laba mbafuni. Wayengumuntu womuntu wonke. Mina Mathupha ngilahlekelwe ngomunye akade ngimkhangelele ukuthi kusasa lokhu uzasincedisa ukuphatha kwezombangazwe. Silahlekelwe, siyakhala, silusizi, sidabukile.
Kumbiko ekhishwa ngumsakazo wesizwe seZimbabwe kubikwa iZimbabwe ikhangelele ukuba ibambe umhlangano weCOMESA kumnyaka ozayo. Imbiko ithi umongameli webandla leZANU-PF obusa ngodlakela kumele athathe isikhundla sokuba nguchalimana. Owaziwayo kwezokuthengiselana uRonald Ndongwa owaboshwa ngesikhathi kulungiselelwa ukubanjwa umhlangano weSADC wahlala inyanga ezinhlanu ejele. Uthi lo umhlangano ozayo weCOMESA uza kwephula futhi amalungelo abantu okuzenziwa nguhulumende. Ake sizweni uWondongwa ekhuluma.
Fellow countrymen, we are very much worried and also concerned about the news that Zimbabwe is going to host the COMESA this coming year. With reference to what happened when we held the SADC summit that ushered in Emmerson Mnangagwa as chairman, we all know that most citizens, including myself, were subjected to rights abuses, to torture and brutality, and found ourselves spending more than 500 days in prison. And during this process, I lost my job as a teacher. So now we are very much worried that history is likely to repeat itself, that the same thing might happen again next year when Emmerson Mnangagwa is going to assume the COMESA chairmanship. And we urge the government of Zimbabwe to respect the fundamental rights of its citizens. And we also understand that this summit will be another avenue for the government to loot our state coffers, especially in preparation for the summit. And for us, the ordinary citizens, we are very much worried because we know there is nothing good that we can expect from this. The only thing that we are going to witness is the fattening of the pockets of those elite guys.
Ukuboshwe izizalwane zaseChina ezinhlanu ngemva kokuba baye badubula omunye ubaba wasemtoko ngemva kokungazwisisani ngezeholo izolo. Abasolwa laba baye baboshwa izakhamizi ngesikhathi bebabopha njengezakhamizi lapho bebezama ukuthwala umzimba kamufi ukuyakungcwaba ukuze bafihle leli cala. Leli cala liveza imbiko ekhona ephumayo elizweni ukuba abaqashi besizalwane saseChina abaphathi kuhle izizalwane zaseZimbabwe kanti njalo basebenzisa izisebenzi ngendlela engayisiyo kanye lokuthatha umhlaba wabokhokho ngendlela engalunganga. Yiloba kulokuchothozwa okuningi, akukho okuningi osokuthethwe nguhulumende mayelana lokulungisisa lesi simo. Siye sakhulumisana lezakhamizi ukuthi sizwe imbono yabo ngalolu daba olukhathaza kangaka.
Chiitiko chakaitika mamutoko ichi chatisiya tisina remuromo, especially isisu vagari vemamutoko tabatikana zvikuru nedanho rakatohwa nemaChina yokuti rokuuraya mushandi akanga abvunza mari yake kuti ko mari yangu mushandi parini. Idanho ratirwadza isisu vagari vemamutoko kuti sei maChina ari kuregererwa achitora mutemo wenyika yeZimbabwe achiita madiro aJoji nemutemo wemunyika yemuZimbabwe kuti munhu aakurayiwa kubvunza mari yake yaakashanda ingave nyika here isingaremekedze mutemo. Ko sei hurumende iri kutadza kutora matanho ekuranga maChina aya? Sei hurumende iri kuregerera maChina achiita zvaanoda nemutemo wemunyika yemuZimbabwe? Idanho ripi richatohwa nehurumende pakuda kufikisa vanhu vakaita zvinhu zvakadai zvinonyadzisa kudai kuti munhu anourayiwa pei yake? Tiri kukumbira kuhurumende, mapurisa vanhu vemutemo, mapurisa kuti mapurisa aite basa rawo asingatarise kuti asingatarise kana kuti kurerekera kuno rimwe divi, asi ngavatore mutemo sezvauri kuti maChina ngavarespecte mahuman rights evanyika yemuZimbabwe. Hatingaite kuti hurumende inotityorera marights, China yakutityorera marights tiri muzvarwa zvenyika yeZimbabwe. maChina akuita zvaanoda pamwe chete nehurumende. Tiri kuti isusu vana vamamutoko tarwadziwa zvikuru nedanho rakatohwa nevanhu vekuChina rekuuraya mumwe wedu akanga aenda kubvunza mari yake. Saka tiri kuti isusu vanhu vemuZimbabwe ndo pamunoona kana kuti umbimbidoga hwebato reZANU-PF unokushandidzana nemaChina. Ivo zvinezvi vari kutora maresources edu, muno mamutoko vari kutora maresources edu akawanda, kwese kwana Chareva kwese kwari kutora, kwese kwana Mushimbo kwese kwari kutora, kwese kwana Gurure kwese kwari kutora matombo edu, kwese kwana Nhingiko kwese. kuna Nyamuzizi kwese uko vari kutora matombo edu, but ukatara kutarisa kuti isusu vana vemagari vemamutoko tiri kuyamurwe chii pari kutorwa nhaka yedu, vana vemamutoko tiri kubhenefite chii pari kutorwa nhaka yedu, vana vemamutoko tiri kubhenefite chiko paresources edu achienda nemachina, maresources edu achienda nemaforeign national, tiri kubatsirwa nei isusu vana vemamutoko? Mukada kutarisa mutoko chaicho haina kana industry kana hwani chaiyo, haina industry mamutoko. Mutoko yakasaririra zvikuru, mutoko yakasaririra zvikuru, mutoko haina town inoyevedza, mutoko inzvimbo yakasaririra zvikuru, asi nezviwanika zvatinazvo tinogona kutoti mutoko inogona kuva one of the biggest town in Zimbabwe, but nemhaka yekuti tine dambudziko rehurumende ino huori, tine dambudziko rehurumende isingatsuriki kana ichinzi iri kuita huori. Iko zvinezvi kune mapurisa munana South Africa, kumapurisa anotoenda kumacourts achinzi ari kutyora kodzero dzevanhu, but kuZimbabwe munhu ukataura kuti tiri kutyorerwa kodzero muZimbabwe, iye ari kutyorerwa kodzero vacho ndiye anosungwa nemapurisa, iye ari kukomberera marights ndiye anosungwa nemapurisa. Saka ungave nyika here, tingatonge nyika tichidare here? Tikukumbira kuna Mnangagwa kuti vana Mnangagwa ngavaedze kuremekedza bumbiro romutemo wenyika, ngavarege kuregera machina achiita zvaanoda. Vanhu vemutemo ngavasunge machina. Taramba isu vanhu vamutoko mutarwadziwa nezvaitwa nemachina izvi.
I am Linton Mwanaka, an ex-political prisoner and a political activist. The recent Mutoko shooting by Chinese miner is not the first one in this country suffering from proper governance deficient syndrome. Such shooting disturbing incidents occurred before. For example, a Chinese national, Zhang Zhujun, shot and injured 2 employees, Wendy Chikwaira and Kennedy Tachona, after they demanded their outstanding salaries. In another incident that occurred some months ago, a Chinese national, Liu Haifeng, pointed a gun at an excavator operator, Kolwani Dube, who was demanding unpaid wages at Mingshang Sino-Africa Mining Investments in Gweru. Chinoshamisa ndechekuti vana Mnangagwa havana zvavanoita kuvanawa, nenyaya yekuti vana Mnangagwa vacho vari kudya vachiguta nekuda kwevanhu ivava. Saka unoona kuti vanhu ava vane utsinye vana Mnangagwa, because vari kusacrifice upenyu hwemaZimbabweans kuti vaparare vange vachiurayiwa nemachina just because kuti ivo vawane mari, asi nyika ichirasikirwa nezvizvarwa zvevhu zvenyika yacho. It's very unfortunate. Ini mafungiro angu ndekutongoti dai zvaiitaka maZimbabweans tasumuka tese, we protest, we chase away these Chinese because vaurayi vari kutiurayaka. Saka tinomba ichivatarisa seko vachiprotectwa nana Mnangagwa corruption.
Umsekeli kamongameli webandla leZANU-PF uConstantino Chiwenga useveze ukukhathazeka ngenkohlakalo ekhona kugatsha lwezokwembiwa lapho athe abantu emphakathini balahlekelwa imvelo ngenxa yalokhu. Uye wayenza le nkulumo lapha besethula inkulumo yakhe yokuvula iMine Intra Expo koBulawayo izolo. Ake sizweni ingxenye yenkulumo yakhe.
Government will implement strict regulations and oversight mechanisms to ensure that corruption within the mining sector is effectively addressed and eradicated. Corruption, illicit trading, and leakages are cancers that erode public trust, distort markets, and deprive citizens of their rightful benefits. In that regard, I challenge the responsible authorities and ministries, departments, and agencies to put in place mechanisms that enhance the transparency of processes for licensing, monitoring, and enforcing compliance among mining companies. Regular audits, community engagement initiatives, public reporting, and whistleblower protection will become integral to our governance architecture.
Abahlaziya ngezepolitiki bathi ukuhlasela kukaChiwenga kwezenkohlakalo kugatsha lwezokwembiwa kuqondiswe ku-Emmerson Mnangagwa kanye labalingani bakhe abathi uScott Sakupwanya kanye loKhudakwa Chetakwirei abayibo abazibambileyo kulolu gatsha. UMnangagwa kanye lemuli yakhe basolwa ngokuphambanisa ezemvelo ngokwenza ukwembiwa okungekho emthethweni endaweni yaseGreat Dyke esabelweni saseMidlands. Iqhubekela phambili ingxabano kubandla leZANU-PF lapho umthungameli webandla leZANU-PF u-Emmerson Mnangagwa ehlose ukuba ahlasele njalo abambe ngamandla ukuze ahlale esikhundleni phambi kokuba kuyiwe emhlanganweni wabo ozabe ukhona eMtare lo oqala ngoMvulo. Izolo ibandla leli liye lamemezela ukuba selikhipha umqondisi wa leli bandla u-retired Brigadier General Ezekiel Zabanyana esikhundleni sakhe. Lesi sinqumo sibonakala njengesinqumo sokuba uMnangagwa uhlose ukufaka labo abamsekelayo ezikhundleni ezilamandla. Imigwaqo yonke ilubhekise eLuswingo Heritage Site eTokwana esabelweni saseMatabeleland South lapho kuzavulwa khona ngokusemthethweni umcimbi weLusiko Kalanga Cultural Festival kusasa. Umcimbi lo uhlose ukuba kuthakazelelwe njalo kugcinwe amasiko esikhalangeni ngokutshintshana kwamasiko kanye lokugida lokunye okwesintu okuzakwenziwa. Umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio uzabe usincedisa ngokusitshengisa imifanekiso eqhubekayo kule imicimbi. Yesikhangele kwezemidlalo. Iqembu lenguqu labobaba liza kudlala namhlanje kusihlwa ngehola lesithupha lidlala leSouth Africa eMoses Mabhida kwele Durban. Lo umdlalo uqakatheke kakhulu kuqembu leBafana Bafana ukuze banqobe njalo badlulele phambili. Umqeqeshi wama-Warriors uMichael Nies uthi iZimbabwe isikulungele ukuba ihlasele. Uye wathi abazi ukushaya indiva kulo umdlalo. Ake sizweni ekhuluma.
But 4 teams can still qualify, and it's their responsibility to deal with that situation. We are, again, our prime motivation is not to be the party crasher. Our prime motivation is to be proper footballers, sportsmen, fair competitors, to all involved, to improve as a team, to not be accused of anything improper. Because also it's a duty, as I explained to you before. How can I say? A real competitor. And I think that's what the spectators also want, and I think also South Africa. I think you want to qualify, but deserved qualify. And so if you want to deserve qualify, you need also to bring a good performance.
Kumidlalo ye-UEFA World Cup qualifiers edlalwe izolo, iDenmark yanqoba iBelarus 6-0, kwathi iScotland yanqoba iGreece 3-1. Nansi eminye imiphumela edlaliweyo. iFaroe Islands 4, iMontenegro 0, Cyprus 2, Bosnia 2, Herzegovina, Austria 10, San Marino 0, Czech Republic 0, Croatia 0, Malta 0, Netherlands 4, Finland 2, Lithuania 1. Okusenjalo, England yona yanqoba iWales 3-0 izolo emdlalweni wokuzwisisana eWembley. Ukuziphetha lezi ndaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio, nanze besihamba phambili. Ungqongqoshe uGarwe uphatha budedengu isikhundla sakhe kuhulumende ukuze afuqe ingxabano kubandla labo, kusho ibandla eliphikisayo. Umhlonitshwa uMrombetsi ubuza ngokuba kungani inkampani yamaChina ingamisi ukusebenza duze lesikolo. Ukuhlukunyezwa kukalo wayemela eMavuku Tafara alele ePhalamende ukufa kuthizwe kuqhubekela phambili. Siziphetha lapha lezi ndaba.